now going to tour the town. Going to get the metro now. We'll be going through this hotel, the Oasis. Excuse me, the metro this way? Okay. All right, thank you. A lot of immigrants work in Dubai. They don't have enough people to power this economy, so they have a lot of people from India, from Africa, and places like that. This is the Oasis Hotel. Walking past it, you will see a lot of beautiful, magnificent buildings. This is kind of like a shortcut from the Emirates Hotel to the metro. Hi. Which way to the metro? That one. Thank you. It is hot. It's not even 11 o'clock and it is hot. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. It's crazy hot. It's getting close to 100 degrees. Wow. Okay, that's the metro. You can see the trains up there. I'm not that far from the airport here. So I gotta take a train. I'll just buy a day pass. And that should take me everywhere I want to go today. The cabs are pretty reasonably priced, but nothing beats the metro from my experience. Wow, this is hot. It's almost 100 degrees. That's a school over there. This is where Emiratis look for the mall. They hang out in the malls because it gets so hot. Definitely need a hat. I hope my camera makes it because the camera gets really hot real quick. So I don't know what line this is, but this is the Garhoud metro station, entrance 1. Oh, it feels good here. This is the red line, and I got to get a train on the green line to the souk, to the gold souk. Feels good in here. So this is a metro station. Beautiful. In Dubai they do everything grand. Oh, okay.
I can't get it.
No, you can.
Sleep earlier.
This is where I stayed the last time.
الأبواب تغلق. Doors closing. المحطة الأخيرة لهذا القطار هي صيدلية لايف. المحطة القادمة هي الرقة. The final destination of this train is Life Pharmacy. The next station is Arriga. المحطة القادمة هي الرقة. The next station is Arriga.
Yeah, you can come here. It's okay for men and women. For the other one, it's only women.
الأبواب تغلق. Doors closing. المحطة القادمة هي اتحاد، وهي محطة انتقالية بين خطي الأحمر والأخضر لمترو دبي. The next station is Union. This is interchange station between Dubai Metro Red and Green lines.
Oh, look at all those people. Okay, we got up there. I'm getting off there. They will wait for you to get off.
Your attention, please. The train to Life Pharmacy will depart from platform 2.
So I have to go upstairs to catch the green line for the gold souk. Seems like it is always rush hour. $22 will be gold souk. The metro is pretty easy to navigate here. And you can always use ChatGPT or Google. It will give you the right stops. They always line up. That's another thing I remember about the trains is always packed.
الأبواب تغلق. Doors closing. المحطة الأخيرة لهذا القطار هي الخور. المحطة القادمة هي
This is my station, gold souk.
Goodbye. The final destination of this train is Creek. The next station is Gold Souk. station is Garhoud souk. Doors will open on right-hand side.
It's pretty easy to use the metro. The only thing is the metro can be crowded.
Your attention, please.
This
Train
end.
to Creek will depart from platform 2.
This ends my metro station ride part 1. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and you can leave a comment. That's interesting, they have cabins for just women and children, which is quite cool. Over and out.